Hey guys, I'm Debbie Carlson, your integrative health practitioner, and we want to talk today about your water system. I want you all to go to your water system and collect a water that can break up oil-based pesticides. Collect a water that you can use instead of laundry detergent. Now go collect a water that you can use instead of your carpet, instead of any detergent to clean your carpet, use it as zero res carpet cleaning. Go collect a water that you can use to clean the grout in your tub. Okay guys, I'm going to show you why our amazing Kangen, the K8, the SD501, the Junior, how they can all create an 11.5 water that can emulsify oil. What you're going to do is press the button, 2.5, and from the top hose, it's going to make 11.5. What I've done here is put a little bit of oil, just toasted sesame oil, pretty much any toasted sesame oil. Just do this test at home and see which one of your waters, whether it's your reverse osmosis water or your distilled water or your softened water or your water technology, and see if you can do this. Today I'm going to use an expensive high alkaline water to do a comparison to see if it can replace detergents, to see if it can break up oil-based pesticides. You guys, it fails. Do you see that? Now I'm going to use my 11.5 strong Kangen water. I want you to see it's just water created from our technology, the K8, and watch what happens to the oil. This is the most amazing technology. I love it. What would you rather have? Endless spending on all your detergents and all your cleansers, or one life-altering device? The choice is yours.